Hey everybody, Kyle here at Diesel Power Products. Today we're throwing some more parts at our Ford Whiskey behind me here. I do a ton of backcountry driving, and up here in the Pacific Northwest, we got all sorts of critters crossing the road, from moose to elk, deer, you name it, they're all over the place. So what better to light up the road than some Baja designs that we are gonna throw on an MBRP light bar on the front of this truck. Bo, tell us a little bit about what we got on the table.
Yeah, you heard that right. So we've got the MBRP light bar. MBRP does more than just exhaust. This is their light bar kit for the new Fords. We're gonna be pairing those up with the LP6s, and Baja Designs makes it super easy with this harness. They've got everything already hooked up, ready to go. So let's get into it.
Let's dive in. Okay, MBRP makes it really easy. This is a pretty straightforward install. So what I'm gonna do is work on getting the MBRP light bar mount. There is a couple templates in here, depending on if you have 2020 to 2022 or 23 and up. Make sure you keep all those templates and use the according year to your vehicle. And we're gonna pull the front fog light cover plastic pieces, drill some holes. While I'm doing that, Bo is gonna work on getting all the LP6s put together. Let's get to it. So these are pretty straightforward and easy. You just give them a tough little pull and they pop right off. Bracket this way. Bang. All right, we got the fog light bezels pulled out. They've got these templates that you tape on passenger side, driver side. You need a 2-inch hole saw. Time to smoke some holes, reinstall these, and then we can get the bracket installed on that. Okay, we got the light bar on, we got the lights roughly mounted, not tightened down. So what I wanna do now is take a look at my front camera. I got Bo up there making adjustments. I still have a nice clear sight and there's no impeding lights just blocking the front camera. For reference, I'm doing 4 LP6s. If you're gonna add a 5th, you'll obviously have a light probably dead center in front of that camera. So I think it's perfect. We are gonna tighten these down and get into the wiring. Okay. Wiring time, and then we'll tighten up the lights and everything else. But I think what we're gonna do for ease of access to get down to the front is we are gonna tie into this battery over here. The harness Baja Designs gives you is long enough that you can still go over and reach the upfitter switches, and then we're just gonna try and find key on power, most likely over at that fuse box, and we'll plug in to key on power for the backlit amber lights. So right now we've got the task of figuring out how to get this gigantic harness from the battery down to the front lights. So let's do it. Bro, that's it. We are in business. Pending nothing catches on fire. Click, click. Okay, so now is the fun part, the wiring. I'm just kidding, it's my least favorite part of all. But we got a lot going on here. So when we ordered this kit, we forgot to select the upfitter option, which Baja Designs does offer, but it's not a big problem. We contacted Baja. They let us know that the corner white and the corner red are the only two that we need to tie into the upfitters. So we're gonna trim this back, pull those two aside and get those tied into the upfitter switch. And for the backlight, these have an amber backlight. What we did is decide to get a fuse tappet, which is gonna allow us to easily access key on power without having to pull the whole front end apart. So we got the tappet, we're gonna run the backlit amber lights to that. We're gonna get this taken care of, run that to the upfitters, put the fuse in, and we should be good to go. Yay. Amber's work. All right. We did something right. All right, we are all wired in. So right now we're just gonna kind of clean everything up before we start zip tying everything away. So we've got all the amber backlight ran on a tappet fuse. The front lights are on auxiliary 1 and the pillar lights are on auxiliary 2. Everything works with key on power. So we are going to do a little bit of tidying up of our wiring and then put everything away and make sure it all still works.
All right, guys, got everything wrapped up on Kyle's Power Stroke. I think the lights look absolutely great. We decided to run a little bit of an offset in the center right here, so that gap's gonna be a little wider, just so he can still use his front camera and see everything. And if you guys are interested in seeing anything else in the Patriot series, please let us know down in the comments.
And huge shout out to MBRP and Baja Designs. As you guys know, we love Baja Designs lights. We run them on all of our rigs. And MBRP, they're just stepping out of their comfort zone, building awesome products outside of those exhaust categories. So again, thank you MBRP. Thank you Baja Designs. Really happy with how this turned out. Pretty straightforward install. Now let's cut to the fun part.